Here's how you can either show the camera cutout or have a black bar here at the top section in the status bar area to cover up the black dot for the camera cutout. And this is for the Poco X7 Pro phone with Android 15 Hyper OS 2. When you're ready to make changes to these settings, you can either tap on the settings icon if you see it here, or use the quick access and go into the settings toggle right there. Once you're in this area here, you want to go to where it says notifications and status bar, this option here. As you reach here now, you will see all these different options and you want to go down past all this until you see hide notch. Now you have your master switch when you go into this here where you hide it or don't hide it. So this is don't hide it, which will show you this, or hide it, and this is going to apply for every app wherever you are on your phone. Now if you want, you can leave it like this, back out, and then you see the part where it says notch in individual apps. This here will allow you to choose which apps will hide it and which apps won't. So if you want it for a specific app, maybe you want it for this here, you can either have it set to auto or always show. And it really just depends on the app compatibility. So even if you have it shown or don't show, it will depend on the app's compatibility. But these are your choices. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.